Details tag genuinely creates a real native collapsible section, with summary tag as the actual always visible clickable header. In this video you'll build a real working disclosure widget. Summary genuinely provides the real, always visible clickable header, toggling the actual details content open and closed. This real content genuinely stays hidden by default, revealed only when the actual summary is clicked, zero JavaScript needed. The open attribute genuinely makes this real widget start already expanded instead of the actual default collapsed state. Details tag genuinely creates a real native collapsible section. Summary tag genuinely provides the real always visible clickable header. The open attribute genuinely starts the widget already expanded. Build a real FAQ section using multiple details summary widgets. Ready to build a real native modal dialog?